Alright guys, so back again. This time I want to show you probably it's gonna be the best and easy ways to find the misfiring, random misfire on the Nissan. I believe this works on the 4-cylinder, 6-cylinder or 8-cylinder, whatever engine Nissan is, because Nissan do not provide the PITs or graphics for the misfiring. So it won't give you like a kind of way to find out exactly when there is a random misfire. There is no way that you can look it up each cylinder. So don't worry if you don't have the this type of scanners. I'm gonna show you both ways, with and without. But I'm going to go right here. Let me go back over here, and I'm going to go to activate test, right? And then we got power balance, and then you got enough options to choose right here. I really don't want to go through on each one because I don't need it. I mean, I really don't need to see what exactly. Oh, the one thing that probably we need on this one is going to be the idle, which let me see if you're idle, or yeah, that's the only thing that probably I need it. But that's it. I mean, I'll go right there, and now we got the options to deactivate each cylinder. Okay, so I'm gonna get the scanner over there so you can hear it. Let me move my things over here. So I'm gonna move everything this way, so you can hear the engine when it goes, like when I turn each cylinder off. So I'm gonna hit number 1. Okay, you hear the arrow, the idle goes up, right? You hear that? Escape. Okay, the idle goes back again. I'm gonna do 2. Okay, you hear the idle goes up. Okay, escape. So that means that they working fine. I'm gonna go with the 3. Okay, you hear the idle goes up, so that means they all fine. I'm gonna go 4. Okay, I'm gonna escape. You hear the idle goes up. I'm going with 5. Okay, let me fix this thing better. Right there. You hear the idle. Now I'm going to 6. Okay, you hear the idle. They all even, right? I'm gonna hit escape. I'm going back now. I'm gonna turn the truck off. They replaced the spark plugs on this one. They thought it was a spark plugs, but it was probably needed, but that was not the problem. So on this one now, because if you don't have the scanner, so what we're gonna do is like do a manual way to do it. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna unplug each ignition coil, and you're gonna hear the same thing when you disconnect the each coil one by one. So you're gonna hear the idle goes up, and that means that it's good. Now what I'm gonna do is I already got this cylinder ready, which is 1, 2, 3, number 4. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unplug this thing, right? And I'm gonna show you, because I'll find the way that I'll find it was misfiring, which cylinder was misfired, is this way. This is one of the ignition coil boots, and then you probably can see right there where it burns up, when the spark is escaping out of the boot. So I'm gonna switch this right here. I hope I can do one hand. I'm gonna pull up this. Hold on. Start this thing. Okay. I pull up, and I'm gonna put the back one that I find. Let me go in here. Okay. So I got him in there. Let me go all the way in. Okay, so I got him in there, and I'm gonna put it back in in here and connect it. Okay. Now let me go inside again. Now you're gonna hear the idle on the number 4, how it goes. All right, so it set the idle a little bit. Okay, most of the times when the cylinder is good and you deactivate or unplug the connector, it's gonna start messing up or change the idle. If it's not working right, it won't do nothing. It's just gonna stay steady. So I'm gonna do the number 4 and see if we can hear what it does. Here is no change on that one. Let me go back. I'm gonna try number 6. You see how it's shaking it? It's shaking now. The number 6, I'm gonna skip on that one. So and the same thing with the other one. They are misfiring most of the time to find which cylinder is bad. If you don't have the clutch or you don't know exactly what cylinder, because when it shows random misfire, so you don't know exactly what cylinder, and some of the scanners don't have the ability to show each cylinder. And if you don't have the scanner, it's gonna be the same thing. So yeah guys, I mean, I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. But it's just the easy way that you can do to find a misfire. Like on this Nissan, you know it's misfire because the ignition coil boots are burned out. I think I showed you that one. You know how it looks. So yeah guys, hope that helps. Remember, don't waste your time, it's too short. See you next time. Peace.